Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be talking about the Colourpop Orange You Glide palette. Cannot wait to talk about this. Guys, I love this palette. You can see I already made a mess of mine if I actually put it up close. You can see I really like that middle shade here. Really love these 9pan palettes. I think I only had one that wasn't the greatest, and that was that watermelon one. And it's not that it was awful, it just wasn't in comparison to the other ones exactly how I wanted, but I absolutely love Colourpop's eyeshadows. Really love this. You guys are going to see a bunch of Colourpop videos again, but I'm so behind, and again, I'm so sorry, but I'm trying to catch up. I'm going to try to film as many videos as I can today to get it out for you guys, but here's the palette. Here's the shades. You force it a huge mirror. The palette's $12, super affordable. Beautiful array of colors. Summer, fall, I mean, just, oh, I love it. I'm loving that they're doing these monochrome palettes. I am living for them. I just think they're so great, and I love these pressed glitter things. I know if you guys watch these, you're going to say it a million times, but I really love these shadows. There's something special about these. They are just so beautiful, and it makes the palettes like give an extra oomph that I really recommend. Especially just trying these type of shadows. They do get them in single shades too. I bought the whole like $20 palette of the bigger glitter shades. I love glitter. And I absolutely love them. So highly recommend this and the glitter shadows in general. But beautiful palette. Love the colors here. So many looks you can do. You can do bright looks, more natural looks, neutral, you know what I mean, matte, shimmery, you name it, you can get it. I find this to be a nicer kind of pop of color. However, at the same time, if you still want to remain like neutral and not too vibrant, then go for this. I think you guys will love it a lot. Highly recommend. I think it's just so gorgeous. Oh, highly recommend. I've used this several times now. I feel like I've been using so much makeup lately because there's been so many great releases. I feel like I'm just caking makeup on. But yeah, that is my quick review. Highly recommend checking it out. I don't bother doing swatches or anything because by the time I get on here, you know, there's hundreds of videos already of swatches. But I do absolutely love it. I very much recommend it. And let me know if you guys got it down below and what you guys think of it. Alright, thanks so much for watching and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.